Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the online class. Now, as we completed part 1 and 2 of chapter number 5, Advanced Features of Photoshop. Now, let's continue on chapter with the next topic, that is working with text. Working with text. Now, we will see how we will work with text in Photoshop. Now, this section explains how to type text in horizontal or vertical format in Photoshop. Now, for typing also, for typing text also, we need to select a tool. One is the text tool. Okay, so we can type the text in either in horizontal or vertical format in Photoshop according to our needs. Okay, according to our needs, we can type the text horizontally or vertically. Now you can also move text in horizontal or vertical direction as desired, as according as you desire, as per your needs. You can move the text in horizontal or vertical direction also. For this, you have to use the text tool. As I told you just now, we have to use the text tool for writing the text horizontally or vertically according to our needs, that is as desired by us. Now, when we make some advertisement, when we prepare some advertisement, which we want to flash, or which we want to give it to the local newspaper, which we want to publish in the local newspaper, that time you need this. We need to type the text according to our needs. That is, whether we want to type the text horizontally or vertically. Okay. Suppose you need to publish an advertisement in local newspapers, and you want to make the advertisement which you want to publish in the local newspaper. At that time, what you will do, you will design the advertisement. Okay, you will design in any other this one software also, but if you use this Photoshop to this one combine some or images, or edit images, or you want to add some text, that time you can use this text tool to type the text horizontally or vertically. Okay, now it is added as a separate layer, which is called the type layer. Now it will be added as a separate layer, which is called the type layer. Okay, now after that it comes the inserting and moving text. How will you insert and move text in the Photoshop? Now let's see here. Now it is fun and easy to add text to an image using Photoshop. You can make postcards or create an advertisement. Just I have told you to make an advertisement, or you can make postcards or invitation of your this one a birthday of your birthday. You can make an invite for your this one invite card for your birthday, or create an advertisement for your website or local newspaper. You want to publish in local newspaper, or you want to create it for your website, you can use this. Okay, to insert and move text, follow the steps given below. Now open an image. What you have to do, we are doing in an image, we are going to use an image. So in that image we are going to type the type tool. We are going to use that, we are going to type the text using the type tool. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open an image. Select the type tool. Now this is symbol for type tool from the tools panel, or press T from the keyboard, or we can simply press T from the keyboard. Okay, keyboard shortcut. To select the type tool, you can click on this icon from the toolbox, or either you can press T from the keyboard. Now after that, step number 3, select the type of text tool from the sub menu of the text tool shown in figure number 24 here. Now horizontal type tool, now vertical type tool. vertical type marks tool, vertical type marks tool, horizontal type marks tool. Now these are the types of the types of text tool. Okay. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the next, select the font type, color and size. You can change the font type, font color and font size. Font size means to make it bigger or smaller. The size of the text, color means the color of the text. Okay, any color you can put. Then after that, font type means any font type you can take, like Calibri, Times New Roman, Algerian. Okay, there are many font types. You can use any font type which you want, and color and size also, etc. in the option bar. Now next step is click on the image and type the text. Now click on the image and type the text. After selecting which font type, font color and font size, etc. in the option bar, you click on the image and type the text. And after that, to move the text to the required place you want, okay, click on the type layer in the layers panel. In the layers panel, click on the type layer and you can drag to the text. You can drag the text where you want to move the text. Click on the move tool in the tools panel. Now after, before moving the text, you have, what you have to do, you have to click on the move tool in order to move the text where you want it, where you want to place the text. Okay, first you have to click on the move tool in the tools panel, and after that click on the written text, drag it to a desired place where you want it to, where you want to place the text. Okay, and release the mouse button as shown in figure number 25. Now let's see here in figure number 25. If this is the text, this is the text. Okay, suppose you have written the text here, you can select the text layer from here, and you have to click on the move tool, then click on the text and drag anywhere to where you want to keep the text. This is how we insert a text and move a text in the Photoshop. Do you know the horizontal type tool types from left to right? Horizontal type tool will type from left to right as usual, where we type on the MS Word also we type from left to right. And the vertical type tool types from top to bottom. From, it will start from top till bottom. To switch between the horizontal and the vertical type tool, press Shift T. Now suppose you are typing on horizontal type tool and you want to shift it to vertical type tool, you can press Shift T. Then you will shift from vertical to horizontal. Again, if you press Shift T, it will change to, it will switch to vertical to horizontal and horizontal to vertical. Okay, these shortcuts you should remember it. Okay. Now I, in the MCQ question also I may ask like this: write the keyboard shortcut to switch the type tool. Okay, to switch between the horizontal and the vertical tool. What is the keyboard shortcut to switch between the horizontal and the vertical tool, like this? Now the answer will be Shift plus T. Got it? Now after inserting and moving text, let's come to the warping text. Now what is warping? Now warping is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. To use warping, to use the warp options, follow the steps given below. Now how to use the warp option? Let's say here it is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. Now select the type tool, that is T from tools, or press T from the keyboard. We have already done this just now. Type the text, you can type the text, then after that select the text and click on the create warp text. Okay, this is a symbol option on the option bar that shown in figure number 26 here. That warp text dialog box will appear like this, shown in the figure here. Now text styles you can change from here, as we have done in MS Word about the clip what are. Just like what are, you can change the many options for text or letters. Okay, the position for text or letters, you can do it in Photoshop also. The warp text dialog box appears. Now after that, click on the drop down arrow on the style options and select the arc styles. You can select another style also if you want. You can change to another style, but if you select on the arc styles, it will be the text will be text will appear like this, like an arc. Okay, you can also change bend, horizontal and vertical distortion settings, etc. Okay, click on OK and see the results on in figure number 28. As shown in figure number 28, you can see here in warp text, the text is bent here like this. Okay, like an arc. This is how we warp a text, that is warping text. It is very much similar to what art in Photoshop, in MS Word. We have already done what art in Photoshop, in MS Word. Just like that, we can use this warp text in Photoshop. Now after that, let's come to using filters. Now Photoshop elements provide a huge variety of filters. This can be used to alter an image in many ways, such as for manipulating colors, adding textures, picking out edges, simulating a painting or drawing, twisting the canvas, and more. Now filters provide a huge variety of Photoshop provide a huge variety of filters. This can be used to alter an image in many ways. Can use filters in many ways, like which I have just told, like manipulating colors, adding textures, pixels or edges, and simulating a painting or drawing, etc., and much more. Okay, these may be used every day, but can provide you endless fun exploring the creative possibilities. Now, as much as you work on these filters, you will get to know there are many filters and how to apply and where to apply those filters. Okay, now let's see how to apply a filter. Applying a filter. To apply artistic effects on an image, follow the steps given below. Insert an image in your workspace area, shown in figure number 29. Now this is a figure number 29, inserting an image. After that, select the artistic option from the filter menu shown in figure number 30 here. There are many options available here, but but just for a trial, the book is given like to choose the artistic option from the filter menu shown in figure number 30. Now there will be a various options in such as color, pencil, cutout, etc. There are many much more here. There are different artistic effects which are which you can apply to an image with a click of a button. That is when you left click on your mouse button, you can apply many filters. Okay, there are many filters given here. Only one is shown here. The first one is artistic, the second one is blur, then brush stroke, distort, then noise. Many much is given here. Okay, there are many. Now in artistic also there are many options given here. From here you can choose any one of them. Okay, then after that, let's see the next step. Step number 3 here, select the sub option color pencils. Okay, I'll show you here from the sub options given here. Now we are clicking on artistic and there are many sub options here. From the sub options available here, you can choose the color pencil, for example. Okay, and see the effect shown in figure number 31. This is a figure number 31 here. Click on OK to apply the effect on the color pencil to the image. Try another option selecting the fresco effect on an image shown in figure number 32. This is applying the color pencil effect and this is applying the fresco effect. Likewise, There are many other effects also you can apply. You can just click one by one and you can see the effects. For artistic also, for the blur also, for brush tools, for distort, for noise. Okay, there are many options here and there are many sub options for the options also. You can see all those things. Practically you can try at home. And after that, filter gallery. The filter gallery offers you different artistic effects that can be applied to an image with a click of a button. The filter gallery provides a special user interface for many of the filters with a large preview panel that you can enlarge further by expanding the window. To use the gallery, follow the steps given below. Now let's see how to use the filter gallery here. Open an image and select the layer to which you want to apply the effect. Click on the filter menu. Select the option of filter gallery or press Ctrl F. Now keyboard shortcut to open to select the filter gallery is Ctrl plus F. So in figure number 33 here, you can see in figure number 33 by selecting the filter gallery, here, and after that click on the gallery option to check different effects. Select an effect and click on OK. In the filter gallery you can select in any effects and you can change. You can see the changes here. Now here you can select any effects and you can see the changes in the picture open here. This is how we use the filter gallery. Okay, so then here we have completed our chapter number. This is chapter number 5, right? About Photoshop. Advanced features of Photoshop, chapter number 5 we have completed here. Now practically also I'll show you, but before that let's complete our chapter number 6 first. That is chapter number 6, that is Introduction to Visual Basic. Now after completing this chapter number 6, now if we get time then we'll do the practicals on this Photoshop, advanced features of Photoshop chapter number 5, and the practicals of Visual Basic also. But let's first complete our chapter number 6, that is Introduction to Visual Basic. Okay, so then for today let's wind our class here. You should watch the videos which I have uploaded regularly, and you should copy all the textual question answers and the textual exercises which I have uploaded in the Google Classroom, neat and clean in your computer notebook. Okay, no need to put two notebooks for computer. You can keep only one notebook for computer. Keep it neat and clean. Okay, whenever I ask for it, you have to give it to me. When time comes, then I'll correct all those notebooks also if school opens. Okay, so you should keep your notebooks neat and clean and write all those question answers and maybe extra question answers or textual question answers neat and clean in your notebook. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.